I guess let's we'll start with this front brake cable. I'm just gonna disconnect it from the back right over here. Come on. That's I am actually working on a cart that we pull orders with, like our larger distributor orders with. So it's not exactly what I'm used to, but so bear with me while I try to find out the best camera angles. I mean, I've said it 1,000 times. I don't know what I'm doing. We're just doing. It's got to be a 12. A long boy. Get out of there. What is going on here? Get out of there. Get my handy dandy push tool. This damn cart keeps moving too. There we go. Now let's see if I can get this thing out. Overflow tube. Damn, that thing's hard as a rock too. I have to order all new tubes, I think. I wonder if the fella that owned this before me ran the old corn gas, the old ethanol, right from the pump. That'll usually kill stuff like that in fairly short order. I haven't run pump gas in this thing yet, just because I typically have 110 for some of my other toys, so I just stick that in it. Seems like it all right. We're not running like a high compression head or anything fancy like that, so I have to go get a battery for the old GoPro here shortly. Get this unconnected. There we go. I'll just work around it like that. Let's see. I gotta get these out. Maybe. Come on. There we go. A little better. Need a Phillips. That one's too fat. Story of my life. So I love-hate relationship with magnetic screwdrivers. I don't like when they do that. I did want to try to keep that in there, but does that go to oil pump? Shit. Yeah, let's just take the air. Let's just take the air box right off. See if my hands are strong enough. Ugh. What are you stuck on? Close enough. I'll take it. We'll stick that back in. Let's get this off before I drop it. So this is the oil injection line. So I really don't want to break that. Come on. Oh, get off of there. There we go. Hoo-wee. Massive carburetor. Absolutely massive. So next is exhaust, so I can get that oil cover off. The exhaust, I don't know how I'm gonna get a decent shot of that. Because it's right there. Let me get this thing out of the way. Let me guess that tire moved right into view. I guess it's better than nothing. That with some of that orange, see if I can break up some of that crap. Where'd I put that orange cleaner? There it is. This stuff smells good. believe. There was R810. Switch over. Got one. Must have been kind of sandy the last place we rode. I don't remember where the last time we rode this was. But, and this guy back here. Okay. Yummy. Ooh, that's a little heavy. Take that apart. I don't think you repack these things, but I might accidentally forget to put the insides back in. Don't tell. Wham bam. Guess I should say thank you, ma'am. Find the hole, Doug. There we go. Now we have access to oil pump. Stay. So this is the oil pump. single screw back here, cover should come off, yada yada. Look at how dirty that thing is. Fucking scrumptious. I think that's where my hang up is. So one thing I do remember is that he did wreck. And then the throttle stopped. Well, I think I know why. I think he hurt the oil pump. Not the first time, but oh, she's a little sticky. Come on. Come on. There we go. I should stop there. But it's looks like maybe, I don't know. We'll monkey with that at a later time. So now what? I think I can pull the throttle cable out. Come on. Oh, you know what? I don't know if I can, because I still have them connected here. Down below that. Should have all the slack. hell is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Fucking shit I want.
Oh.
What'd you get?
What do you mean?
I forgot she.
I didn't win nothing. Sean did.
Yeah, she gave me this too about that.
Oh. Come on, you turd. Whatever. Sunstar. Sunstar.
Sorry?
This is Sunstar Engineering. How can I help you? Hello? Don't know what the fuck that was about. Okay. Oh, shit. GoPro that. All right, we're back in business. So I am currently messing with all these wires. That I have no idea what they're for. Oh, that goes. Those must be stator wires. Then I have. Let's get this shit a little bit more organized. And this little guy. this little guy. These two. Okay. Where's that coil wire go? Coil and coil ground. Go back into the main loom that is disconnected. Spark plug wire where it goes back is disconnected. This goes around. Cool. Well, we should be about ready to drop this hoss. These, yeah. So those should stay until I'm ready to remove them. Just gotta get this big guy out. I don't really see anything else connected. Everything else looks pretty self-contained. Guessing that's the CDI box that's disconnected. Oil tube goes down, connects to here, goes right up to that. Okay, so yeah, your CDI wires need to get this off. This fucker's gonna leak as soon as I take it out. So, yep. Shove the shock bolt in there. Because who doesn't like a nice lubed up shock bolt? That's expensive shit to be leaking out. But what oil do I run in that? Same thing I run in the 300. I think it's Motor X 2T injector. I don't know. Whatever came with the bike when I bought it. I just keep buying the same stuff because if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Although, can't really say that. I'm constantly fixing not broken stuff because I want it to be better. But That's gonna leak a little bit. It'll be all right. We're about ready to yank her out, buddy.
So itty-bitty.
It's literally shock bolts, disconnect the wires, the cables, the oil, and then pull that, and that whole thing should lift right off. I know. I wish all my other stuff was this easy. I know. They have new ones that are actually hydros. I just haven't. They're like $700 because I got to change triple trees, and I mean, he's going to be on a 50 Junior soon enough, so. Oh. Side of that, maybe like a 15. No. 14? And the money. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think that other side's spinning now too. That shit's on there. 14 is equal to what? Like a 9/16, I think. I'm actually gonna stick this thing back on. Where's the wheel? I'm gonna actually get my oh, there we go. Either broke loose or it broke. Either way, she's loose. Don't judge my wrench handling skills. Man, I might have to drive this thing all the way out. I just had a hammer. What do I do with it? Ooh-wee. This thing nasty. Might have to clean that one up a little bit. There we go.